Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket, and in this video we are going to see what are the adjustments we made to the existing positions and what are the new entries that we have entered. So today, as you can see, that we have a total M2M of close to 2,75,000, and the market was positive and as expected because we had a slightly bullish position, so we were able to get this. But the thing is, as you know, that we also had a 18,000 short straddle in Nifty. A break even came somewhere close to 17,850 as well as 18,150. And today we actually have crossed our break even, and that's the reason I have done a small adjustment in Nifty as well, and I'll be showing you the same. So now if I just filter out and show you the trades separately, what we see is from Nifty's trade, we actually have a loss of 28,000 today, whereas from BankNifty's trade alone, we have a profit of close to 3 lakh today. So I'm going to discuss as to what changes did we make to the existing position in Nifty as well as BankNifty. So for this, let me actually start by filling in the actual prices in Sensibull, just to show you how it actually looked and how it has right now changed. So if we look at the actual prices in Sensibull, 92, 104, 27 as well as 27. So now coming to this position, you can see these were our actual break evens. And right now we have crossed our break even and we are having a loss. And you can see the maximum loss I have is 1.75 lakh. So this is the maximum loss that I'll be going to on the upside. Whereas on the downside, I have a loss of 3.24 lakh. Because the hedge is then little farther away. So the question what we have to ask is, so you can just pause the video and try to think how can you adjust this particular position. So now it has crossed the break even. Just try to think what are the different ways that you can adjust this particular position. So I am going to discuss the way we have adjusted this particular position. So there are a lot of ways how you can do it, because right now I feel that this particular break even on the downside is not necessary, because I am not expecting Nifty to come down by almost 300 points tomorrow. So does it mean that it can't come down? Definitely not. It can surely fall below 300 points, but the chances are very low. So based on this, I needed totally 1.75 lakh and we are trading with 60 lots. 60 lots is around 3,000 quantity. So how many points should I collect to recover this loss? I have to collect somewhere close to 60 points, because 1.75 lakh divided by 3000 is somewhere very close to 60 points. And the moment I collect this, I am not going to have any loss on the upside. So I'll be only having profits moving ahead. So how did I actually collect this additional 60 points? So today in the afternoon, when markets were looking quite strong, I shorted 18,100 puts at a rate of 45. So let me just check that. So you can see that it's actually sold at 44, shorted at the rate of 44. So now you can see that I still have a loss on the upside. So I still have a loss of 42,000, which means I need to collect around 11 to 12 points to make sure that this loss is not going to exist. So there are a couple of ways of how I can do it. Tomorrow, let's say, in case the market actually falls down, then I have nothing to worry because I have a pretty comfortable break even. So I am not expecting the market to go below 18,000. And in case if it comes down by 100 points also, I'm quite happy because my break even is 17,975. And I won't be adjusting till we actually come closer to 18,000. And here on the upside, I have 18,186. But what I would rather do is wait till we actually cross 18,200 decisively. So let's just go to Thursday somewhere around 12 p.m. So you can see that at 12 p.m. I would still not have a loss of 42,000. That is only towards the end is where I go to a loss. So in case if the market is looking strong, all I have to do is collect how many points? 12 points. So this is all I have to collect. So all I can do is just remove off both the call legs, that is 18,000 calls, 18,200 calls. So by doing this, I will now be collecting enough credits, and my break even is also going to come somewhere around 17,995. So that would be something I would be comfortable doing. So I won't be doing that till I am certain that BankNifty or Nifty is going to stay positive and is going to hold on to the gains. So I'll wait till the afternoon session and then take a call. So this is with regards to the Nifty trade. Next, we'll be quickly moving on to the BankNifty trade. So as you all know, this was our BankNifty trade, right? And the thing is, again, I'll just change this to 12 p.m. So the thing is, you can see that today I actually had a pretty good profit. But the problem is, if I actually hold it till tomorrow, I am going to go under a loss. So what is the problem? The problem is this particular buy leg, which I have around 100 lots. So this particular buy leg has a lot of time premium, whereas this particular sell leg does not have any time premium. It just has around 20 rupees, whereas this has somewhere close to 120 rupees. So there is a huge difference between these two. So tomorrow, if nothing happens also, this is going to lose time premium worth of 120 points, whereas this is just going to lose 20 points. And we have other two put legs also, which is going to give us small profits of 30 points as well as 17 points. But overall, in case if Bank Nifty is actually ending around this range, we are going to have a loss of anywhere between 1 lakh to 1.2 lakh. So there is no point in holding these two if you are expecting Bank Nifty to actually end above 38,000. So that's the reason the simple adjustment to this, what we did was just to remove off these call legs. So right now we only hold put legs where our break even is going to come slightly below 37,965, and anywhere on the top or over that is going to give us a profit of close to 1,76,000. So this we are sure to realize as long as Bank Nifty is staying above 38,000, and that is what we expect from Bank Nifty also. We expect Bank Nifty to hold 38,000 for tomorrow. So these two are the adjustments which we have done to the trade, and apart from that we have taken two more trades as well. So I will quickly be telling you the two more trades. So right now, just to keep a track of what we have discussed, one, we have discussed about the adjustment in Nifty, and then we have discussed about adjustment in Bank Nifty. So next I am going to tell you about new trades taken in Bank Nifty. So we have taken two new trades in Bank Nifty, and I am going to discuss about that now. So one is with respect to this expiry, where we have done one in the money short strangle of 38,700 as well as 38,500. So we have shorted this close to 1,500 quantity or around 60 lots, and we have shorted this close to 60 lots. So this is in the money short strangle, and you can see that the max profit that we'll be making is around 3 lakh in case Bank Nifty ends between 38,500 to 38,700, and anything beyond that will be either having a small profit or a loss. And you can also see the break evens. Right now it is at a comfortable level for us. So downside is something that we have to consider, because I am not expecting Bank Nifty to go towards 39,000 this expiry. So downside is something that we will have to look into. So this is the short straddle I have done, and in case if Bank Nifty opens flat, this is the short strangle which I have done, and in case if Bank Nifty opens flat, we should be having some good profits tomorrow. And this is the first new trade which we have taken. And next one is a short straddle in Bank Nifty of 21st October, because after tomorrow there are 4 days of holidays, and that is Saturday, Sunday, Friday as well as Tuesday. That means we will only be having 3 days in next expiry session, and that will be pretty good for this, because you can expect some pretty good theta decay moving ahead, right? So for the same reason, we have done this 38,500 short straddle, where we have shorted somewhere around 1,750 quantity or that is going to come somewhere close to 70 lots. So let me just show that to you. That is this as well as this. So these are the two short straddles, and this has been hedged with 40,000 as well as 37,000 put option. So I will just add those two as well to this. So you can see again the break evens are quite far, and I'm quite comfortable holding this because I expect Bank Nifty to consolidate in the range of 38,000 to 39k in the upcoming week. So this is where I expect the market to consolidate. I might be wrong. In that case, we will have to do some adjustments. But if this actually goes as planned, then we should be having pretty good profits for next week as well. So let's see what exactly will happen to the markets in the coming week. So tomorrow we might expect some pressure coming for Bank Nifty, given that the IT stocks are actually up. Given that Infosys, Wipro and TCS, Infosys and Wipro ADR and GDR of TCS is almost up by 3 to 5%. So we might expect some pressure to come for banking stocks, and we'll see how to take it forward from there. So now we'll be quickly looking at the market's outlook, and coming to Bank Nifty, we saw some good amount of call writings today, and surprisingly there was unwinding of both puts as well as calls at levels of 38,000 and below. So that was quite surprising to see, and so overall we can see that there is quite a strong put writing at 38,000. And apart from that, we also have a lot of call writing coming in at 38, 600, 700, 800 as well as 39,000. So we might expect market to trade in the range of 38,000 to 39,000 tomorrow. And in case if IT stocks shoot up a lot, then that is going to be a problem. Because to balance out Nifty, we will see some selling pressure coming in stocks like Reliance as well as Bank Nifty. Otherwise, we can see a huge surge in Nifty if it is joined by banking and Reliance also, because IT stocks are anyways expected to shoot up tomorrow, right? So this is with regards to Bank Nifty. And coming to Nifty, today we saw a lot of put writing and call unwinding happening in Nifty. So this is a clear sign that people are actually very bullish on Nifty, because you can see right over here, there is a lot of put writing at 18,100 as well as 18,000, and call unwinding happening at 18,000. That means people are no longer expecting the market to go below 18,000. And even if you look at this, quite some strong put writing coming in at 18,000 as well as 18,100. So 18,200 might act as a resistance given the OI, but tomorrow if we see a huge gap up, we might see some strong put writing happening at 18,200 also. So let's hope for the best. And right now the positions are quite comfortable as long as we don't see a huge gap down in Bank Nifty. Till then it is quite well, and we should be ending in good profits if they end as it is. So let's see how it goes tomorrow, and I'll be catching you soon again. And meanwhile, if you're liking the content on this channel, then do hit the like button, share this video as well as subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for joining in, guys, and I'll be catching you soon tomorrow.